Hey folks, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm gonna say here is based on my opinion in the charts. Okay, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me so you can get updated. Okay, now let's dive in. Okay, look at this US dollar dominance 1 hour time frame. As you can see here, we are kind of still pumping, but we have this yellow line here serve as your resistance, right? So like this one to this one and maybe this one. Okay, so I do think that maybe we can still have one more push to the upside right here. Okay, and then it's gonna come back down to your support trend line. What will happen to our crypto, by the way? So if that happens, all I can see is that maybe we can break here at your 1.95 level before a blast off to the upside. That's what just I'm thinking. But we have here this resistance trend line here around your 2.04 area. So I don't think now I saw something here. You see this one's gonna be inverse Bart Simpson head pattern right here, some kind of like that. I don't know, that's just my technicals. Also look at your stochastic RSI here, creating this inverted shoulders pattern. I don't know if you see this, right shoulder, head, left shoulder, consolidate, then pump. Maybe that's the idea here. This is for 1 hour time frame, XRP, US dollar. For Bitcoin, okay, as you can see here, we can still drop one more to this level of support, 88,152. So just like I've said, maybe it could come back, drop right here and then go up. Okay, so that's just my thinking here. This is just what I think, because we have a lot of supports here, support, and there could be support here, right? So that's just the idea here. Let us put some other indicators in here. Let's gonna use this RSI. Okay, as you can see here, we are oversold territory. We have some red line in this oversold territory, so maybe we're gonna create some bullish divergence here, because the prices will go down eventually and the RSI will go up eventually. That's just the idea here. Okay, let's see about the XRP. If we're gonna use some RSI here, alright, as you can see here, we can still dump in this region. Okay, also maybe we can create some bullish divergence here. Maybe your RSI will going to come back up and your price will going to come back down. This is critical support level. Okay, this is your major support level. So first support would be this area here, 1.96. okay, because as you can see here, we have this, I don't know what you call this one, this parallel channel here, but we have support. So maybe we can have support in here too. Okay, that's just the idea here. This is short term. Okay, and of course, if we're gonna come back up to the upside after this drop, we can reach this target right here, 2.14, because you have a lot of resistance there. This is gonna be your resistance or previous support, right? Resistance. So that's just the idea here. Okay, now let's go on with the US dollar dominance, and that's gonna use the nice indicator RSI. I'm not saying that we're going to the moon, right? Because we are too far from that. As you can see here, we have a lot of overbought here. So I was just thinking that maybe we're gonna create here some bearish divergence going down here, and this price is going to go up. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, looking back in the longer time frame right now, let's gonna go on a daily time frame. I am seeing some strength in this US dollar dominance. Maybe we can have some short-term downside here, but eventually we're gonna go up like that. Okay, and what are we gonna create? I don't know. Because maybe we're still inside this channel right here. As you can see here, we still have in this channel. Of course, if it breaks to the downside, then that's a good news. But in the upcoming news, the FUD of Japan rate hikes, I don't know what's gonna happen here. Looking at your XRP US dollar here to your daily time frame. Okay, what I see here is that if we manage to go bounce here and go up here, then continue to go down. Okay, I don't know, that's just my idea here. This is just the idea. Maybe the first support, of course, if we drop, is this 1.7 area, 0.72 to 1.7 area. Let's see where's the December 19 plays out. Here it is, 1.69. Okay, maybe we can have some fake out here before a drop, and if it breaks, we're going to 1.4 area. But eventually, if we break this high, then we're going to the first resistance right here. Okay, and what was that? Okay, this one, 2.28. Okay, I'm gonna remove this for now. After we break that, if we eventually manage to break this up, then we're going to see this 2.5 level, 2.5 to 2.6 level area of resistance. That's just the idea here if we manage to break. But that's the thing here. Maybe we could see some price up and got rejected again to this 20 EMA and then continue to go down. So let's see, watch those levels. I'm not trying to create fear in here, I'm just showing you how it will happen, going up or going down. Okay, watch this US dollar dominance in here, and let's see how it plays out, because it may continue to go up just like that, and we're eventually XRP will eventually go down to our target 1.4 area. So don't forget your weekly time frame